Here we have to do a couple equations in order to be able to factor out individually the values of a and b. We can do that by simply adding and subtracting these two equations from each other to isolate a and b. First, let's figure out what a equals. So since in one of the equations we're adding b and the other one we're subtracting, if we add the two equations together, the b's will cancel out. So a plus b equals x added to a minus b equals y gives us 2a equals x plus y. And we're trying to isolate for a, so a equals x plus y over 2. We do the same thing for b, but since the two a's are both positive, we need to subtract one equation from the other. So we have a plus b equals x again, minus the quantity a minus b equals y. Here the two a's cancel each other out, but since we're subtracting a negative b, we end up with 2b equals x minus y. So b equals x minus y divided by 2. We then need to figure out what 3 times a times b equals. So we have 3 times x plus y over 2 times x minus y over 2. We can factor out these 2's into each being 1/2. So that's 3 times 1/2 times 1/2 times x plus y times x minus y. 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. And then 3 times 1/4 is 3/4. And then here, x plus y times x minus y, that ends up being the difference of two squares. The middle terms cancel out when you FOIL it, so it simply ends up being x squared minus y squared. And of course, we don't have that in the answer choices, so it looks like we need to multiply that out. So that ends up being 3x squared minus 3y squared, all divided by 4, which is answer choice A.